Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best garage door seal is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components for maintaining a clean, dry, and secure garage, especially when dealing with the common challenge of an uneven floor that allows drafts, water, and pests to infiltrate your space. This seemingly simple strip of material acts as a vital barrier, preventing those unwanted elements from compromising your stored belongings and the overall integrity of your garage environment. Ensuring you have the right seal can make a significant difference in your home's energy efficiency and protection. Number 5. BOWSEN Garage Door Bottom Seal Weatherproof EPDM Rubber. Introducing the BOWSEN Garage Door Bottom Seal, designed for superior weatherproofing. This high-performance seal ensures your garage stays protected from the elements. Our heavy-duty parts feature a unique U-shape and O-ring combination. They are specifically engineered to fit your garage door's bottom retainer track securely. Crafted from durable EPDM rubber, it withstands extreme temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 240 degrees Fahrenheit. Its excellent elasticity ensures performance even in harsh winter conditions, unaffected by snow and ice. Easily cut it to the perfect size for your garage door. Installation is straightforward, replacing your old seal without the need for screws or nails. End plugs are included for a complete seal. Effectively seal out harsh weather, blocking rain and snow from entering your garage. Keep your garage dry and protected year-round with this reliable solution. What we like. This option is made from durable EPDM rubber, ensuring it can withstand extreme temperatures from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 240 degrees Fahrenheit. It's also designed for easy cutting and installation without needing screws. If you need a reliable seal that's easy to manage and built to last in various weather conditions, this is a great choice. What people say. It's an excellent grade of rubber. I sprayed silicone spray in the tracks, got it started and had my wife begin pulling the end while I fed the rubber into the track from the long side. It went on like butter. Looks great and seals even better. It works great, was easy to install, I used some WD-40 to help me slide it 8 foot alone, super durable, and seems much more sturdy than what was originally installed a decade ago. The rubber is thicker than the other ones I looked at and I think it will do very well. They are flexible, yet sturdy. I installed them alone. I did use the suggestion to spray both the tracks and the rubber with a dishwashing soap water mixture to help lubricate the channels and ease installation. The doors seal much better now and look good. Number 4. Jin&Bao Universal Garage Door Threshold Seal Strip 20-foot Kit. Tired of a messy garage? This universal sealing strip acts like a draft stopper, effectively blocking out water, snow, dust, and leaves. Keep your garage pristine and dry all year round. Designed to withstand the harshest conditions, it maintains its integrity from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 284 degrees Fahrenheit. You can trust it to stay in place without cracking or drying out, no matter the weather. Featuring a bright blue safety strip for high visibility and anti-slip ridges, it enhances safety for everyone. The unique base ensures a strong, reliable adhesion to your garage floor. Installation is a breeze. This 20-foot strip can be easily cut to fit your specific needs. It's safe for use on various surfaces like concrete, asphalt, and painted floors. Have questions or need assistance? Our dedicated customer support team is always ready to help you with your purchase. We're committed to ensuring your satisfaction. What we like. Featuring a distinctive blue safety strip and anti-slip ridges, this seal prioritizes visibility and safety. Its serrated base ensures excellent adhesion with the included sealant. If you're looking for a solution that enhances safety and provides a strong, reliable grip on various surfaces, this is the one for you. What people say. The seal is thick and durable, providing a good barrier against the elements. Easy to install and cut to size, it conforms well to uneven surfaces. Effectively seals gaps and prevents water, dirt, and drafts from entering the garage. Number 3. 20-foot Universal Garage Door Threshold Seal Strip. Introducing our Universal Garage Door Threshold Seal, designed to fit most garage doors. It's flexible and can be easily cut to your desired length, ensuring a perfect fit for your space. Keep your garage clean and dry with this effective seal. It blocks out water, wind, snow, dust, and leaves, creating a reliable barrier against the elements. Crafted from premium EPDM rubber, it's built to last. This material resists extreme temperatures and harsh weather, ensuring a tight seal year after year. Installation is a breeze with our easy-to-use design. It's perfect for DIY projects, allowing you to replace your old seal quickly and efficiently. We're confident in the quality of our product. Enjoy peace of mind with our 180-day warranty and dedicated customer support for any questions you may have. What we like. This weather stripping boasts a 1-2-inch tall profile and is constructed from premium EPDM rubber for long-lasting durability. It effectively seals out the elements and comes with strong adhesive for a secure fit. If you need a robust, high-profile seal that offers excellent protection and is simple to install, consider this option. What people say. The garage door seal works great on my uneven floor. This seal is a good product for keeping out water and debris. Number 2. 2026 New Upgrade Wide Silicone Weather Stripping Door Seal. Introducing our latest upgrade in home sealing technology. This wide silicone weather stripping is designed to provide a superior seal for your doors and windows. Featuring a powerful acrylic adhesive backing, it ensures a strong, long-lasting bond that won't peel off. It maintains its grip even in cold weather, keeping your doors and frames sealed tight. Prevent costly leaks of heated or cooled air while enhancing sound insulation. Enjoy a quieter, more comfortable room and significantly lower your energy bills. Installation is a breeze, just cut to size and apply. It's perfect for a wide range of doors, windows, and frames, both indoors and outdoors. This versatile strip offers protection against wind, dust, and weather. It's also soundproof, anti-collision, and resistant to wear, corrosion, and aging. Simply tear off the red protective film to reveal the strong, transparent adhesive underneath. Ensure a secure fit by applying it directly to the desired surface. We stand by our product. If you have any questions or concerns, our customer service team is ready to provide a satisfactory solution. What we like. This upgraded silicone seal uses a strong acrylic adhesive for superior sticking power and is designed for energy saving and noise reduction. It's versatile and can be used on various doors and windows, both indoors and outdoors. If your priority is a quiet, energy-efficient space and you need a seal that adheres exceptionally well, this product is an excellent fit. What people say. Has a great seal. Doesn't come off easy. Seals cold weather and looks good unlike the ugly foam ones. It still holds a year later with heavy traffic. This product was a game changer for my home. It keeps the drafts away and looks great. It is almost invisible. The quality is great. Number 1. Duzzy Universal Garage Door Seals Kit. Introducing the Duzzy Universal Garage Door Seals Kit, designed to keep your garage protected from the elements. This comprehensive kit offers superior weatherproofing for your garage door. Crafted with a high-quality aluminum track and natural rubber, it's built to withstand extreme temperatures from -40 degrees to 140 degrees. The rust-resistant surface and soft sealing strips effectively block dust, rain, and snow. This versatile kit is designed to fit most garage door bottoms, whether steel or wood. It comes in a generous 10-foot length, allowing you to easily trim it to your specific needs for a perfect fit. Featuring an upgraded design with 10 insulation layers and a brush strip, it significantly reduces noise and insulates against heat and cold. Enjoy a quieter, warmer, and more comfortable garage environment. As a professional manufacturer, we are committed to providing top-notch garage door seals. If you encounter any issues, our dedicated team will resolve them within 12 hours, ensuring your satisfaction. What we like. This kit combines a high-quality aluminum track retainer with natural rubber and an added brush strip for comprehensive sealing. It's designed to block dust, rain, and snow effectively while isolating temperature. If you're looking for a complete, heavy-duty solution with multiple sealing layers for maximum protection and durability, this kit is ideal. What people say. The seal is a good thickness and flexible enough to conform to the uneven floor. It effectively seals the gap between the garage door and the floor, preventing drafts and debris from entering. The material is durable and has held up well to daily use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.